In this video, I will show you how to change shipping prices on Shopify. Want to update your shipping rates or offer free shipping for certain orders? Stay with me and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, log in to your Shopify dashboard. From the bottom left corner, click Settings, then select Shipping and Delivery. Under the Shipping section, find the shipping profile you want to edit and click Manage Rates. Here, you'll see all of your current shipping methods and rates. To change the price of a shipping rate, click the three dots next to the rate and select Edit Rate. Enter your new shipping price, then review any conditions that are applied to the rate. You can also set conditions based on order, price, or item weight by selecting the appropriate rate type and adjusting the conditions to match your shipping requirements. Once you've finished making your changes, click Done. Then click Save to apply the updated shipping rates to your store. That's it! You've successfully changed your shipping prices on Shopify. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.